In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Weebly account in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to streamline your digital presence or simply free up some clutter, removing your account can be an effortless process when you know the right steps. So let's dive into how you can do this cleanly and efficiently. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Weebly website. Weebly is a popular platform known for its user-friendly site building tools, and it's likely that you've spent some time crafting your online presence here. Once the homepage has loaded, if you haven't already, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page and click on the login button to access your account. When prompted, enter your registered email address and password. This combination is your gateway back into the Weebly world you created. For security reasons, it's always a good practice to make sure your login credentials are kept secure and private. Enter these details and proceed to click Login once more to enter your account dashboard. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the overview page. This is your digital command center from which you can manage all elements of your Weebly account. To continue, look for the My Site section. This tab houses all the websites associated with your account, and managing them effectively requires a clear understanding of your objectives. Now, let's shift focus to the account settings option. Click on this to unveil a wide range of options that allow you to customize, maintain, and, if necessary, delete your account. Within the account settings area, locate and click on the My Data option. This is where things start getting serious about data privacy and removal. Scroll down and you'll see the Erase Data and Forget Me option. Clicking this signals Weebly that you are intending to remove your data permanently. It's an irreversible step, so ensure that's your desired action. Before you proceed, Weebly requires one last confirmation. You'll need to tick the box that says I understand and would like to proceed. This step serves as a final checkpoint, reminding you of the consequences of data erasure. After acknowledging the implications, you're ready to click Erase Data. This final click will set the deletion process into motion, and your personal information and sites linked with your account will be permanently erased from Weebly's servers. With your data erased, you'll see a Done button appear, which marks the completion of the deletion process. Clicking it wraps up your journey to removing your Weebly account. And there you have it. Your digital footprint on Weebly has now been cleared. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more straightforward tutorials to simplify your online life. See you next time.